Even as a European lander performed an epoch touchdown on an asteroid this week, NASA started its final maneuvers on Monday, October 1, to send its own spacecraft to a space rock. NASA's OSIRIS-REx Origins, Spectral Interpretation, Resource Identification, Security-Regolith Explorer mission executed the first asteroid approach maneuver that day, putting the spacecraft on track for its arrival at asteroid Bennu in December, NASA said in a statement. However, it will take at least until next week to find out if the maneuver was successful, NASA said. OSIRIS-REx performed a braking maneuver using its main engine thrusters. The procedure was designed to slow down the spacecraft to 313 miles per hour, 140 meters per second, roughly a third of the craft's previous speed of 1,100 miles per hour, 491 meters per second. An artist's depiction of OSIRIS-REx conducting an engine burn to approach Bennu. Credit, University of Arizona. The engine burn marks the beginning of a busy 6 weeks for the spacecraft as it completes a series of orbital tweaks that will ensure it reaches its destination. The last of those maneuvers, scheduled for November 12, will put OSIRIS-REx on track to arrive at Bennu on deck. At a distance of 12 miles, 20 kilometers, from the asteroid's surface. OSIRIS-REx will then do several flybys over Bennu's poles and equator. The mission's ultimate goal is to pick up a sample of the asteroid to return to Earth in 2023. Meanwhile, the Hayabusa 2 sample return spacecraft successfully dropped the mascot Mobile Asteroid Surface Scout lander, a joint project of the German and French space agencies, onto the surface of asteroid Ryugu on October 2. There, the lander completed a 17-hour work session. Hayabusa 2 will do multiple scoops of the surface itself before returning to Earth with the precious material in 2020. Scientists are interested in discovering more about the origins of asteroids in order to learn about the solar system's history. These space rocks represent what the solar system used to look like before moons and planets formed from rocks and gas that coalesced due to gravitational forces. There's a second, less benign reason to be interested in asteroids. Some of these space rocks, including both Ryugu and Bennu, occasionally cross the orbit of Earth. And scientists would like to be able to better assess how to protect the planet against an unlikely but possible asteroid impact. NASA tracks many thousands of asteroids through its Near-Earth Object Program. No imminent threat to Earth has been found yet. Follow us at space.com, Facebook and Google. Original article on space.com.